Everyone, myself Shah from UPS Mallapur Mandata Pratapgarh. So today's our topic is digestive system. So let us start this video. Digestion begins from our mouth. Saliva comes out of the mouth. Saliva produces an enzyme called ptyalin, which digests starch. After that, our food reaches our stomach through the food pipe. The outer wall of the stomach is made of the gastric gland, from which the gastric juice come out. Gastric juice releases hydrochloric acid and pepsin and renin enzyme. The pepsin enzyme digests the protein which converts the protein into peptones. Hydrochloric acid prevents food from rotting and destroys microbes. And the renin enzyme digests the milk that converts milk into the curd. So let us talk about liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. The liver destroys the toxic part of food. Urea is produced in the liver. Bile juice is produced in the liver, which collects in the gallbladder. Vitamin A is already present in the liver, and there is also a collection of vitamins. Let us talk about the pancreas. An enzyme named trypsin organized from the pancreas. Insulin is produced in the pancreas, which converts blood sugar into energy. Non-production of insulin leads to a disease called blood sugar. Now let us talk about the small intestine. The bile juice and trypsin enzyme together at the mouth of the small intestine converts peptones into amino acids. Food remains for the longest time in the small intestine. There is complete absorption of food. After this, our food reaches the large intestine where water is absorbed. Now the food reaches the rectum and exits through the anus. Thank you.